Okay, this part of the tutorial series I remove our first pain factor, that is validation. But before starting I add commit git add dot git commit npm 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 category root beginners part done git push origin master. Okay, committed. So I need to first validation. For validating purpose, most of the people I see, they validate using the annotation of model, but this validation is not too attractive, and you cannot do a is unique type of validation or more logical type of validation. So I don't use to Microsoft annotation for validation. A fantastic library is developed for validation issue, that is the Fluent Validator. Is a very fantastic, very fantastic Fluent Validator. I use Fluent Validator. To set up Fluent Validator in your project, so I need another dependency, that is NuGet Fluent Validator is .NET Core. It's needed in API. Also it needed in BLL. Why is needed also BLL? You understand when I write some code. Okay. After added it, we need to dependency and need to configure it also. Inside add controller dot add Fluent validation. Okay. Best practice: all type of request that comes from user not same as same model using in database. So I need a folder inside my BLL that the name of the folder is request. All type of request come there. First I create a file, class category insert view model. Okay, I need a class. Here there is two part, prop string. I need to get it from his name and description. Name and description. Okay, that is, my mouse is not working perfectly. Shift L. Okay, name and description. Name must be needed. I need to add two type of validation. One, name is needed, and another is name must minimum 4 character, and name cannot match any of the name that is stored in the database. Okay, to use Fluent Validator, here any tutorial part. Okay, need a class custom validator. I added it inside here. stack validator needed, our class name, category insert view model, and category insert view model validator. Okay, need a constructor. I want to see, okay, rules, inside constructor, yeah, inside constructor, rules for something I get wrong, no, so why red color, category insert view model, validator, name not empty, message with message, please enter name, is a chaining method, minimum length 4 character. When you are using the Fluent validator, you also add the dependency injection inside in BLL dependency, because our file is stored in the BLL request folder. BLL dependency, here I create another method for all type of Fluent validation, also provide the service method, okay, services dot add transient, category insert view model, category insert view model validator. I think I write order, I forget the order, this order or that order, what happened, category insert view model validator, everything is fine, but why the error comes, I need to sorry, I some mistake, BLL dependency add transient, that is okay. I created line from my another project, need to I validator view model validator, okay. So if I run the project again, sorry, I have some error, stop, inside in model category controller, insert category insert view model, and here also modify that category part, it's category insert view model, add category, here I need var category equal to new category, name equal to category dot name, comma, description category dot description, sorry, new category, okay, and yes, return new category. Okay, perfect. If I run now, then I want to debugger run, insert, try it out, 1. If I not write anything and execute, perfect. Please enter name. Okay, name equal to 2 character, AB. Execute. The length of name must be at least 4 character. You enter 2 character. Perfect. Awesome. So our validation, I need to add another part to check if anyone write the category name which exists already in database, then tell me this type of name is not possible to insert. How can I manage it using Fluent Validator? Okay, minimum for length dot no stop dot with message, no need with message. Here is another method, must async. Sorry, name exist. I need to create a method. Create method name exist. Okay. Here I check it if argument 1 name, if string dot is null or empty name, if যদি null আসে, if comes in null, return true, because another exception get the data. Okay, what happened? Expect, oh yeah, return true. Theory task pool bar, I check this data. Here inject the service where I write this query for checkup. Category service equal to category service read only property return not in await category service name exist, provide the name, await async. This method is not present there. Create method, boolean return, perfect. Implement missing member. Here bar result equal to async category repository dot name exist if return result not in equal null. If not in null, it return true, otherwise false. I create also this method object task category missing member, return await async context dot category dot first default x dot name সমান equal name first default async. Okay, perfect, done our code. So I run the project again, not clicked it. Again post method, try it yourself. One name Python is a good. First happy path test, execute. The specified condition was not met for name. Okay, I want to see what's the problem. Oh, understand. The problem is request model startup not needed, repository not needed, category dependency not needed, category insert view model forget, and here is a message. I create a message dot with message, category name already exist. Okay, perfect. Again, yeah, Python is a good book. Execute. Debug, remove debug. Yeah, huge error. Why? Different thread using the same string to become text. How to avoid the issue? Okay, need to check something. Category service. If yeah, the main, I sometimes forget to write await operator. Okay, run again and remove the debug point. Okay, run the code again, execute. Category name already exists. Need to check in DB. Category name already exists. No exist. What type of wrong? These are not in null equal to true. I think okay, I think not in. This logic is vice versa. Okay, again hit. execute. Okay, Python is a good inserted. If I again execute, category name already exists. Okay, now it's working perfectly. So you see, when you if you are using Fluent Validator, you are writing very interesting or attractive code using Fluent Validator. So now more today here I teach you several part. I think you enjoyed it and you learn more and more part. Git add dot git commit name. Fluent validator added. Now we solve one of our pain, that is validation pain, but we have a two more pain, that is every user without register or login can insert data. Is it authenticated data? No, we not permission everyone to insert data. We need to manage role. We need to manage after you log in. A specific role user can do this job, which we see in bird's eye view. Only a manager can add category or book. Next part is the most interesting part. This part we learn how to jot JWT token management system, access and refresh token, and we learn how to manage in role-based authentication in REST API. So before we do this job, first we manage our exception. Exception handling is needed because when you are getting a data which is not present and you are getting a text, that means text based exception. But every API, when you are developing API, you must return JSON type response, because only JSON can manage any type of mobile apps developer. API basically developed for mobile app and or others application. Any type of application can parse JSON data. So we need to fix it. We must return the JSON type of data in our application. And status codes is very important, crucial part in development, API development. Why crucial part? 200 to 299 series is a success status code. If any API return 400 series, 400 to 499 series is a error code. 500 must remember, 500 only return if server error occurred. Without server error, don't return 500 exception. It's a very bad practice API development. So we need to fix it. Before we start our token based authentication system, we first manage our exception handling. It's very needed to manage any type of quality type of application. Okay, no more today. Hopefully tomorrow you are getting more video and your confidence is developed more and more from tomorrow. Okay, bye bye, happy coding.